Okay, so I've got the little Firefly Action-cam, Micro Action-cam on the top here. I've done a full review on this and I'll put a link in description for you, obviously. Just a little bit of foam that sort of came packed around something or other, just really to sort of ease out the top bit there. Is quite a weird shape, and that's just helped it and got the camera reasonably at the same angle as the lens on the actual quad itself. Half a dozen elastic bands around there, just looped around twice, just holding it on, really nice. If it takes an impact, it will come off and we shouldn't damage it too much, is my theory behind it anyway. So let's just see how we get on. There we go, so I'm pretty impressed with that, to be perfectly honest. Slapping a little cheap camera on the top and getting that sort of level of footage, I think is amazing. This little micro cams, I really like them. They're super. The anti-vibration seemed to work pretty well. It seemed to fly really smooth, and one incident I had, it just knocked it slightly over on the side, and you can just put it back up without any bother. You could fix it much better if you wanted to, but I actually quite like it being a bit loose, because if it takes an impact, it will just move back. It won't wrench everything out of the quad, and probably won't damage the camera. And after the, as you saw, a few little incidents there, no damage at all. And these quads are superb. I mean, they're just built for that sort of flying. Any sort of bumps and everything, it just recovers and you just keep flying. Absolutely superb. I found crossing the elastic bands over did hold it a little bit better just when I was out in the field, just before I went to fly in the park there. I just noticed that was a better way of doing it, and it's really easy. If you want to go out and fly and you want to just hone around and you don't want to do any footage, you can just leave the elastic bands on. They just pull nicely out the way, and you could even use them as extra ones for holding the battery on if you wanted to. The other thing you might want to do is, if you're going to have that there as a bit more of a permanent, is to actually reroute the antenna out through one of these holes, which really wouldn't be a bother. But honestly, worked really fine. I didn't have any issues with it at all, and I really like it. Hope you enjoyed the video, something a little bit different, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.